Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. Welcome back. Today we will make a review of the cleaning product, another cleaning product. Last time my Vailida flat mop was really great and I am so happy with. So I promise you I will make another review. Today will be review of the glass cleaner, the window cleaner, mirror cleaner. We will make the shine. 2-in-1. This is what you can get from any shop. First tool from KARCHER. It is a cleaning glove with the little bottle and spray, so you can fill it with actually anything. I've got this Mr. Magic glass cleaner. So it is not, of course, any ad, nothing like this. I bought everything by myself and I just would like to try it because I wanna make the windows clean as much easy as I can, as it's possible. Microfiber cloth, it is also very easy because after you will use it, you can wash it in the washing machine just like Vailida. 35–40 euro. I think it is quite easy. Then we have this vacuum. Vacuum inside the dirty water from the window or the mirror. It should be easy and should be really clean. I've got today yellow gloves because I think that KARCHER it is yellow, so I want to have everything yellow, my blouse and the gloves and everything. So I will try first clean my mirror because on the mirrors I think will be visible results. I've got so many questions last time about my gloves, but gloves you can buy in any supermarket. Just always I'm trying to find new colors because I like it. I like to clean in these gloves, protect my hands and nails. The mirror, it isn't that dirty. I'm trying to keep everything clean at my home, but let's see. Okay, please remember about that should be on and off. It should be on. Oh my god, it is like magic. It is very easy. By the way, I've got a parcel just there. It's gonna be for the unboxing for tomorrow, something leather. Now I'm going to my bathroom. Oh my god, it's so easy. It's just this take like a few minutes and that's all. The whole dirty water is going there to this, so it is not too much so far, but I think with the window cleaner it's gonna be more. I will try to show you a difference. Look, this is the side that I haven't cleaned and this is the side after cleaning. It took about 1 minute to clean it and oh my god, it is just so good. I can't believe it. A very easy tool. I just love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is so clean. You need to use a cloth anyway, just because you have to wipe off the frame. By those simple tools, The cleaning, it is a pure pleasure. There is like, I don't know, usually it takes about an hour or two just cleaning the windows. Just you have to wipe them off with any liquids and cleaning products, with any cloths. How many cloths I had to use like this to clean a few windows. So much paper because I used the paper towel and everything. This, it is water from the window. It is very dirty, as you can see, but it is just that little. So actually you don't have to use so much water. It is really economical, and I love this, and it is really so quick. I clean my own mirrors or glasses at home. Everything looks so nice and clean. I just love it. So now I don't know what else I can clean. This exactly works like Vailida. You have to take it off and put to the washing machine, and that's all. You can use it for many times, I think up to 60 times. So the same I have a little tool for the dust, and also you can just clean your dust, and you can also wash the cloth in the washing machine. That's good because you don't waste so much things around you after cleaning, and it is really cool. So now I'll wash it off. My Vailida is drying in the front of me, so tomorrow I will clean my floor. And yeah, so only one disadvantage of these things, they took a lot of place. I don't have really space in my home where I can keep it. Maybe behind my washing machine. Now it is definitely time for a coffee after hard work. It is not that hard, but you know, clean everything. It is not like 5 minutes. It took a bit time, but it is not too bad. Next time I will use different boots, and I don't know, let me know what I can use as. Next, I would like to buy a nice tool for a dust, because dust, it is quite problematic. I don't really like it. Sometimes I feel like I wipe off dust in my home and next day I've got everything back. It is horrible. I know that I've got clean floor and everything, so, and the dust, it is everywhere every day. It is a bit annoying, but what you can do? Sometimes nothing. So if you know any cool tools for the dust, maybe tools like this, I don't know, just let me know in the comments. I will be happy to try some. And please remember that this is not any ad. I'm buying everything by myself and I'm trying things. That's all. That's my honest review, and I hope that you like it. So thank you so much once again. Please let me know what do you think, and soon I will make more cleaning videos. It's like, you know, the housewife series I can make. How to keep your home clean. So crazy. Let me know your thoughts about the KARCHER vacuum window cleaner. In my opinion, it is the best. I am so hungry now, so I will eat my dinner, and thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye!